A pig. Here's a tail. A short and curly tail. Here's a nose. Which animal has such a round and pink nose? Oh, here are legs. Short and pink legs. Who makes the sound? A pig! Yay! It's Piggy the pig. What kind of animal is this? Everything is mixed up. Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Right! We've found the body. Now let's look for the tail. Yeah! Hey, look! A pig's head. That's right. A pig's body. A pig's tail. It's a pig! Bye-bye, pig.